Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the second day of Life Science Discussion Forum meeting. My name is Nishikant Vase, and I'm a founder member of Botany for You. I'm currently working as a senior scientist, School of Medicine, University of Virginia, USA. It's my honor to present today our second speaker, Dr. Amol Sakharkar. Dr. Sakharkar is currently working as an assistant professor of Department of Biotechnology, Pune University. Dr. Sakharkar has done his PhD from Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Nagpur University, Nagpur in 2007. It's the same university where I did my master's. In fact, me and Dr. Sakharkar, we share the same hostel dormitory during our master's days. And he did his master's in biochemistry from Nagpur University. So during his PhD, he also worked as a senior research fellow at the pharmacy department, Nagpur University. Immediately after finishing his PhD, he joined as a postdoctoral research scientist at Pennington Biomedical Center, Bhutan Rouge, USA. He also worked as a postdoctoral researcher in University of Illinois at Chicago, College of Medicine, in the Department of Psychiatry. Later on, he joined the same department as assistant professor in College of Medicine, University of Illinois, Chicago, and he worked there for like maybe 3-4 years. And afterwards, he moved back to India and joined in Department of Biotechnology in his current position. Dr. Sakharkar has more than 14 years of active research experience, and he has more than 10 years of teaching experience. His main area of research is effect of alcohol and drug addiction on brain. He has expertise in understanding neuropsychiatric disorder, and he is trying to connect the neuropsychiatric disorder and epigenetics, and he's trying to understand how epigenetics affect the neuropsychiatric disorder and vice versa. His other area of research is brain injury. He want to understand how the post brain injury, how it affect the mental acuity of any individual, and how it affect the overall metabolism of brain and the human and the person. He has more than 46 peer-reviewed article published to his credit. He has 2 book chapters published to his credit, and he has several grants. He has earned several grants for his research. With this short introduction, I would like to invite Dr. Sakharkar for his talk. Thank you very much.